Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to slow down the speed of voice over in Elevenlabs. So first thing is just simply go to the left side over here and go to text to speech. And now from here guys, of course, just simply provide the text that you want to turn into speech over here. And now from here, as you can see, the only option that we have is stability. So guys, in order for you to have an advanced settings, you have to adjust the model. So select model over here. And now make sure to select the 11 multilingual V2, which is the very high quality model that they offer. And just simply select that. And as you can see, we will now have the speed icon over here. And we could adjust the speed based on our preferences. And additionally, we could have the stability, similarity, and the style exaggeration as well. So guys, just simply play around with the style exaggeration as well, because this make your voice output more slower and have a little bit of emotion. And if you prefer, you could do a speaker boost as well. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and select generate speech once you are done. And pretty much that's all you have to understand is changing the model to have an advanced options like this one, the speed. There you go. See ya.